Yeah, so number 61, there are plenty of fish in the sea. So we actually have a dating site that turned kind of more than just a dating site. It's called Plenty of Fish. Um, because I remember them saying that uh, when you were dating someone when you were younger and you guys split up, your parents would say, "Don't worry, there's plenty of fish out there." That means there's more people out there. There's not just that one person. So yeah, plenty of fish. Um, yeah, go ahead, Saul.
Yes, great. Good examples, Daddy. Yes, there are plenty of fish in the sea. So let's say your friend went on a date and she says, Pierre hasn't called me back and it's been 3 weeks. You can encourage your friend by saying, don't worry, there are plenty of fish in the sea. Yes.
62. Come rain or shine. So to say come rain or shine is like sometimes we'll use that first. We work no matter what, rain or shine. We'll get it done no matter what, rain or shine. Just saying that it's gonna get, it's coming no matter what. Go ahead, Saul.
Yes, yes. Come rain or shine. Yes. Come rain or shine. Yes, this is used to say that an event will take place despite external circumstances. So let's say tomorrow is a vacation day for you, but there's a big project deadline tomorrow. But you might say, I'm taking the day off tomorrow, come rain or shine. And the next, Danny.
Yeah, so number 63, to cut corners. So to basically, that's saying shortcuts, making shortcuts. Uh, like when I'm driving sometimes and the road is curvy, but I can see way ahead, I'll just drive straight through the curves. And that's cutting corners. So that's making shortcuts. But yeah, just taking the easiest route, the fastest route possible. Pretty good one. Yes. Go ahead, Saw.
Oh, great. Yes, to cut corners. This is when you do something in the cheapest, easiest, or fastest way, but by omitting something or by nothing following rules. So you might say, we felt pressured to cut corners because of the tight deadline. And the next.
That's a funny picture. I can see myself right there. Number 64. But those would be tacos.
Oh my.
Yeah. To get your act together. Yes. To get your act together. Now that's someone that your parents used to say to you probably when you were younger. Pull yourself together and get your act together. Get back to work.
For sure, yeah.
Yeah. When you're not behaving or in a proper way around family or where you're at in your environment, they would say, "Get your act together. We are not in a proper place. We're in the public." So yeah, they'd say, "Get your act together. You need to get it together." You can go ahead, Saw.
Yes, exactly. That's great. Good examples to get your act together. So your parents might say to you or your siblings or someone you know, you're 30 and you still live at home and you don't have a job. You need to get your act together. You need to organize yourself so you can live in an effective and efficient way. Get your act together. Yes, next.
Like that fat guy with the Wii controller in his hand. Get your act together, bud.
Yeah,
Oh, so to break the ice. Number 65. Yeah, something that all guys need to do when they go to talk to a lady. I know that. But I like it. Um yeah, so something that you got to come up with just to get the conversation going with somebody. When you first meet somebody, to break the ice is to, yeah, come up with a conversation piece to be able to get going with that person. Uh, yeah, because it's pretty nerve-wracking when you meet someone for the first time and trying to talk to them. To know what to say when you first meet them is the tough one.
yes, yes.
So,
You,
like I
you
would
don't
say,
feel
I would
so
go up to
comfortable.
her and say, "Do you have any band-aids? Because I scraped my knees falling for you."
Uh-huh.
So, go ahead, Saw.
Yes, to break the ice. Yes, this is such an important one because this is used to help people who don't know each other to feel more comfortable around each other, especially when they're meeting for the first time. Let's break the ice by introducing ourselves and sharing something interesting about ourselves.